everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a pencil. Let's start. First, draw a line like this. Then draw a curve and another curve. Now none more. Now draw a line straight up. Then connect the line right here to another line on top. Like it's invisible, these lines. But now they're not invisible by curving and connecting. Now a line here, another line here. Now connect it like here, and the line invisible again. Now connect them again. Now a curve like this, and another one on this side. Next, draw a line like this. Now another line like that. Now they're connected. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's good. Okay, first, then draw a line. Another line. Now let's color. We'll color it yellow, orange, any color we like. Okay, I want my red. Oopsies. I have another one. I want to make mine a color pencil. I'll use my purple. Actually, I'll make it. What do you think? I'll make it 2 colors like this. Do you like the color of my pencil? It's pink and purple.